My dear child, you may have asked yourself lately, do I really need to make a big life change right now? Am I pushing the right career path for me? Is my current romantic partner making me happy? It is time for me to make some changes to my physical health. What in my life needs changing the most? Should I take this big opportunity that I have been offered? The answer is yes. Dive in head first. Take that chance that you have always wanted to take so you would not have to worry about what if. Let go of the voice in your head that always wants to play itself. That is the ego. It's time to break through those layers of fear and step all the way out of your comfort zone. Now is the time to focus on your own individual power and strength. Now is also the time to take control over every part of your body, mind, and spirit. The universe may be trying to tell you that you need to take a few chances and not worry about failure. Remember, the path to success is often through failure. Each time you fail, you learn something new that will help you succeed in the future. If you are in a mindset that is limiting your potential, it's time for you to make some changes in the way you look at things. Replace the negative thoughts with positive ones. Visualize what you want and then go after it, and you can handle it. Your ability to adapt is one of your greatest strengths. Someone needed to hear that. You are greatly blessed, highly favored, and deeply loved. You can make it through the transition into whatever new opportunity is being presented to you. Believe that, hang in there, you absolutely got this. My child, know that the greatest gift you can offer the world is your trust, most authentic self. You were created exactly as you are because who you are is who this world needs. It's your wit, your humor, your grace, and your passion. It's the fire that burns inside of you. It's your fire's courage and irrepressible spirit. It's the way you love with your whole entire being, unapologetically, fully, without fear. It's your unique presence, your divine signature. It's the way your smile can change a person's entire day. How your heart pours out love without expectations or conditions. It's the wisdom that lives inside of you. Your voice, your words, your ideas, and your creativity. You are an original, unmatched, incomparable, second to none. Let go of who you think you are supposed to be. Step into your trust self and explore every hidden depth of your inner being. Be who you are. Offer what only you can give. You will never be too much or not enough. For the people worthy of experiencing the fullest expression of you, type Amen.